Hi everyone, Richard here with AGA Tools. Today I'm excited to introduce a new product designed to save time, improve efficiency, and prevent injuries inside the shop. This is the AGA Wheel Hanger. Modern vehicles are now equipped with larger and heavier wheels. Some of them feature wheels over 21 inches and weigh more than 85 pounds when combined with the tires. This significantly exceeds the safe lifting limits recommended by workplace safety policies. It also increases technician injuries and usually requires 2 technicians to remove the wheel off the vehicle. That's where the AGA Wheel Hanger comes in. Available in 2 different styles, a clamp-on style for portability and a direct bolt-on style for permanent solution. This product is a game changer. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Start by lifting the vehicle and remove the wheel bolts. Here we're using the AGA Wheel Stud Kit to ensure the wheel doesn't fall during removal. Learn more about this kit at agatools.com. With a firm grip on the wheel, slide it off the studs and hang it directly onto the wheel hanger. That's it. Quick, safe, and effortless. The advantages of equipping your shop with the AGA Wheel Hangers are huge. For technicians, this prevents personal injuries or damaging vehicles. Eliminate unnecessary bending, kneeling, or heavy lifting when handling wheels. For shop owners, that's fewer workers' comp claims. Increase efficiency, meaning more jobs finished in less time. For example, when performing brake bleeding, all wheels can remain off and hung on the hanger. This allows technicians to check tire pressure without bending or kneeling. Installing the AGA Wheel Hanger is straightforward. For the clamp-on style, just remove the hardware, clamp this onto the arm of the lift, tighten up hardware, and you're good to go. These fit lift arms that measure 120 millimeters by 80 millimeters on brands such as Rotary or Western lifts. For our shop, we use the bolt-on style. Start by marking the location on the lift where you plan to install the hangers. Use a center punch to ensure accurate drilling. Begin with an 1/8 inch pilot bit, then follow up with a letter I drill or .272 drill. Next, we recommend using tap oil. Tap the hole using 5/16 by 24 tap. The kit includes 5/16 by 24 hardware, but it does not include the drill bit or tap. Finally, use a 1/4 inch hex key to tighten the hardware securely into place. For more information or to order your wheel hanger today, give us a call or visit agatools.com. Upgrade your shop with this innovative product and experience the difference today.